SQL tutorial for beginners. In this tutorial I will tell you about the basics of SQL in theoretically, and in next tutorials we will do practical of SQL by using software called MySQL Server. SQL is structured query language. SQL is an RDBMS, relational database management system, which is used as backend tool for all type of client-based application or an application with the feature of getting input from the user and store as backend. For example, if you sign up in a site, your data is stored as backend in the database of the server. SQL is divided into three types: first DDL, second DML, third is TCL. DDL, Data Definition Language. A database scheme is specified by a set of definitions which are expressed by a special language called DDL. The command under DDL are create, alter, drop, etc. DML, Data Manipulation Language. DML is language that enable user to access or manipulate data as organized by appropriate data model. The command under DML are insert, delete, update, select, etc. TCL, Transaction Control Language. A transaction is one complete unit of work like preparing report cards, recording data, calculating, etc., which need a control to handle the transaction uninterrupted. When a transaction is complete, to undo a change, rollback command is used. The command under TCL are rollback, save points, commit, etc. Now data type used in SQL. First int, size is 20 digit, example that uses int data type is, roll number of student. Second integer, size is 255, example is same as int. Third decimal, size is 20, example that uses decimal data type is, percentage of student. Fourth date, size is 8, example that uses date data type is, date of birth. Fifth char, size is 256, example that uses char data type is, name. Sixth var, size is 65,536, example that uses var data type is, address of anyone. Constraints. Constraints are the validation or condition applied on a specific field to enter restricted values only. There are 7 types of constraint in RDBMS. First is primary key, unique and not null. A field having primary key can never have duplicate value and no an empty field. Table having primary key is known as master table and need a reference table for connectivity and data sharing. Second is reference key. A field having reference key can have a primary key of another table with the same data type and size. Third is unique. A field having unique constraint can never be duplicate but can be empty. Fourth, not null. A field set with not null constraint can be duplicate but never be empty. Fifth is check. Check constraint apply on these field where restricted values are required with conditions like checking check between. Sixth is null. A field set with null constraint can never to be an input from user like remarks fields, signature, photo, etc. Seventh is default. To set a default value of a field we use default constraint. Watch next tutorials for practical of SQL. This video is presented by Rock Studio. If you like this video, please subscribe it.